Here's a quick tip. If you are selecting your company name to publish your game on Google Play or any marketplace, it's essential to ensure that the chosen name isn't already owned by someone else. This situation happened to me a while ago. I selected the name Reverse Gravity for my company, but after 2 years, someone emailed me requesting that I change my company name. At the time, I was unaware of trademarks. I later discovered the United States Patent and Trademarks Office, where you can search for trademarks to verify that your chosen company name isn't already in use by others. To ensure your company name is free for use, visit this website, search for trademarks, and if no matches are found related to your selected name, you are good to proceed. However, it's important to note that I'm not well versed in laws and copyright matters. It's crucial to conduct further research and ensure compliance. If anyone has additional information on this topic, please share it with us in the comments.